Welcome back, everybody. We continue extended News Channel 5 team coverage now of the plea deal of Paul Michael marriage.
We do want to take you back live outside the courtroom where our Mike Trim is standing by live with Jim Sitton. Mike?
That's right, Keely. WPTV photographer Jim Sitton had a very long morning this morning. This could not have been easy. Obviously, if somebody's just tuning in, your 6-year-old daughter, his life was taken during this tragic shooting. You heard the guilty plea accepted today. Tell me your thoughts, Jim.
The second I heard that he was going to accept the plea, just tears started to flow. I'd kept it pretty good up to that point, but you know, I feel like I failed my daughter again. You know, I couldn't save her that night, and now today I couldn't kill the defendant.
There was a lot said in there. Did you feel as if you at least let your voice be heard today within this whole process, and in the end, you know, you did all you could? I know you said you failed your daughter, but it's hard to say that because you were up there, you told the judge how you felt, you said everything you could. How did you feel in the end when it comes to that?
Well, I have great respect for Judge Marks, and I thought they were going to shoot me when I dropped to my knees. I'm like, I didn't expect for it to get that reaction. I probably shouldn't have done that, but what the one thing that really upsets me in this case is we have a good case. We just don't have a good state attorney. We have, you know, if my pregnant wife has the strength to prosecute a death penalty case, why doesn't he?
You're carrying a picture of Michaela with you. You've been a champion for, you know, cause and raising awareness after this happened here in this community for 2 years now. Now today, I mean, any thoughts? You say you have your regrets, but you heard other family. What did you think of the other family members' testimony up there today? Patrick Knight, the mother and father of Paul Marriage.
Well, it doesn't surprise me that the mother and father of the monster wants him to live. They're the ones that created the monster in the first place. Patrick and Clifford and my father-in-law, I respect their decisions, and you know, there's pros and cons to both. I'm not a raving lunatic looking for blood, but I just can't get past the fact that the person, so-called, who killed my little girl gets the same sentence as Bernie Madoff, or, you know, less than murder crimes. And to, you know, this, welcome to the criminal injustice system under the state attorney's office under Mike McAuliffe. You know that he hasn't prosecuted, I just found out this morning, he hasn't prosecuted one death case since he's been here. He's pled every one of them out. I just don't think he has the political
right. As a
will.
You know, as a parent myself, and for many of the viewers that are parents out there, it's easy to understand your frustration today, Jim. Along this 2-year journey that you and your family have gone through, there has been support. Is there anybody you'd like to thank along the way and that has been there for you?
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'd like to thank John Walsh and the U.S. Marshals, because in the end, they were the only ones that remained, you know, are on the side of victims in our case. And I now have more faith in Paul's future fellow inmates than I do in our criminal justice system under Mike McAuliffe, because at least in prison, they know what to do with baby killers.
Jim, we first of all just thank you for sharing that with you as a fellow employee, and for all the employees that were in there today. It's definitely good to hear your thoughts today, and we understand your frustration, but the end of 2 years. I'm going to throw it back to you guys in the studio. That's the latest here from Palm Beach County Courthouse.
All right, incredible work from all of our team out there. Thank you, Mike Trim and Jim. Our thanks to Michael O'Rourke, and thank you for joining us for this special extended coverage today of News Channel 5 at noon.
And of course, we will have much more on WPTV.com as well as News Channel 5 at 5. And for those of you wondering about Days of Our Lives, that will be on at 2 p.m. Thanks for joining us, everyone.